Okay, students. Good morning, everybody. You are fine? Okay, ready for study? Next question in exercise 3.3. Question number 3 and part is 6. Here, question number 5 is if fraction become 9 by 11. If 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Here, find the fraction. So, we let the firstly numerator. Let the numerator be x. Numerator be x and denominator be y. Denominator be y. So fraction equal to x by y. Here, according to question, fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. 2 added to both numerator and denominator. So we add 2. Numerator means x plus 2 and denominator y plus 2 equal to become a 9 by 11. So equal to 9 by 11. Next step is cross multiply. Cross multiply means 11 is by divide. So cross multiply go to other side and multiply. 11x bracket x plus 2 equal and y plus 2 is divide. So go to other side and multiply. So 9 into y plus 2. 11 into x, 11x plus 11 into 2, 22. 9 multiply with y, 9y plus 9 multiply with 2, 18. And 11x, 9y come other side, so plus 9y come to left side, minus 9y equal 18 and 22 go to right side, minus 22 because it is this side positive, so other side go to negative. 11x minus 9y equal to solve, one number is positive and one number is negative, so subtract answer is 4 and greater number is minus 4. It is equation number 1. Again, according to question. Here, next point in question 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Become 5 by 6. Next equation is 3 added to both the numerator and denominator. So x plus 3 and y plus 3 equal to fraction become 5 by 6. And same process is here. 6 go to cross multiply and multiply with x plus 3 and y plus 3 go other side with multiply 5 y plus 3 and multiply 6 and x 6x plus 6 into 3 18, 5 multiply with y 5y plus 5 into 3 15. Variable in left side 6x and 5y come to left side, so minus 5y equal 15 and 18 go to other side, minus 18 and 6x minus 5y and subtraction, one number is positive and one number is negative, so 3 and greater number is negative, so minus 6, equation number 2. solve by substitution method. So solve substitution method. Equation 1 is here 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4, and second is 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. By equation 2, we find the value of variable x by equation 2. So 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3, and go to minus 5y other side, 6x equal to minus 3 plus 5y, and find the value of x. So 6 here is multiply and go to other side and divide. 3 minus 3 5y by 6. So it is equation number 3. Value of x in the variable form, minus 3 plus 5y upon 6. It is equation number 3. Put the value of x in equation 1, because we solve by equation 2. So put the equation 1 by equation 1. Put the value of x. Equation 1 is 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. 11 multiplied with x value is minus 3 plus 5y by 6. 9y equal to minus 4. Next, 11 multiplied with upper side. So 11 multiplied with 3 minus 33 plus 11 multiplied with 5y 55y upon 6 minus 9y equal to minus 4. Next equation is here minus 33 plus 55y by 6 minus 9y equal to minus 4. Here 9y upon 1 LCM is 6 minus 33 plus 55y minus 1 divided by 6, 6 times 6 multiplied with 9, 54y equal to minus 4. Here 6 go to other side and multiply. Here it is divided, so go to other side and multiply. 55y minus 54y equal to minus 4 multiplied with 6, and minus 33. 55y and 54y is like term. So we subtract them, and 55 minus 54 plus 1. 1 is answer. So 1 and 1 is not right. 1 को लिखा नहीं जाता है, ठीक है. अगर 1 आता है तो उसको लिखना कंपल्सरी नहीं है. So we write the only 1 equal to minus and plus. Answer is minus and 24. Here y minus 24 and 33 go to other side and plus 33. Y equal to, subtract them. One number is positive, one number is negative. So 33 minus 9. So here y value is 9. Next, find the value of x by equation 1, 2, 3. Any equation by equation 3. Equation 3 is x equal to minus 3 plus 5y by 6. Okay. So x equal to minus 3 plus 5 multiplied with 9 by 6. So x equal to minus 3 and plus 5 multiplied with 9, 45 by 6. X equal to, subtract 10 and 42 by 6, cut 7 times. X equal to 7. Therefore, answer, therefore, fraction become x by y. So x value is 7 and y value is 9. So fraction is equal to 7 by 9. Answer. Next question. Question number 6. Exercise 3.3. Question third part is 6. Question 6 is important question. 5-year hand. The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present age? Here question is age. Find the age. So we firstly suppose the present age Jacob and something similar. Jacob is and find son's age. So let the present age of Jacob equal to x years and the present age of his son equal to y years. Okay. So firstly we let the present age. Next, according to question, you write the full form according to question. Okay. Here in question, 5-year hand means after 5 years. The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Okay. So after 5 years. Here given age of Jacob after 5 years means अभी की अगर एज 5 है तो 5 साल बाद कितनी होगी? 10 होगी, 10 होगी, तो 5 को प्लस करना पड़ा. ठीक है. तो हियर आफ्टर 5 ईयर में ऑलवेज टाइम 8 करते हैं, हमेशा प्लस करते हैं. तो हियर क्वेश्चन इज एज ऑफ जेकब मीन्स एज ऑफ जेकब इज x plus 5 and Jacob is 3 times his son means सन की एज में हमें 3 का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे. तो y plus 5. So it is equation number 1. Solve this equation. X plus 5 equal to 3 multiply with y, 3y plus 3 into 5, 15. Variable in the left side, x and 3y come to this side, minus 3y equal to 15 and 5 go to other side, minus 5. X minus 3y equal to 10. It is equation number 1. Okay. Again, according to question. Here 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 5 years ago. So 5 years ago मतलब 5 साल पहले. 5 साल पहले के लिए हम हमेशा सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, एगो के लिए हम हमेशा सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. तो एज ऑफ जेकब मीन्स x minus 5 and age of Jacob 7 times his son's age. Son's age is y minus 5. y means present age. अभी की एज है उससे 5 साल पहले कितनी होगी? 5 years कम. So we solve this equation. x minus 5 equal to 7y minus 5 into 7 into 5, 35. Next, x minus 5 equal to 7y minus 35. Yes. Variable in the left side x and 7y come to this side and minus 7y. Minus 35 is here and 5 come to other side plus 5. Minus 5 go to other side plus 5. X minus y equal to, subtract them, and 30 and greater number is negative, so minus 30. It is equation number 2. Equation 1 is here and equation 2 is here, and in remaining question do solve to yourself. It is homework. Okay. So next exercise is complete. Next method is solve the pair of linear equation elimination method. Okay. So today discuss about elimination method. So next method number 2 in algebraic method. Part of algebraic method number 2, elimination method. So solve the two equations by the elimination method. So go in exercise. Exercise is 3.4. 3.4, there are 4 questions and solve 2 questions and 2 questions is homework. First question is solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and substitution method. You know substitution method? We completely discussed about substitution method. So you solve them in question by the substitution method, and elimination method we solve first question and fourth question, and other method you solve, do you yourself. First question is x plus y equal to 5, and next equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Okay. Elimination method, equation number 1, equation number 2. In elimination method, firstly we equal the numbers of variable x and variable y. Any variable, x variable or y वेरिएबल. हम या तो x वेरिएबल के नंबर सेम करेंगे या फिर y वेरिएबल के नंबर सेम करेंगे. किसी भी एक वेरिएबल के नंबर्स को हमें सेम करना है, कोएफिशिएंट को हमें सेम करना है. ये हमारी प्रोसेस रहेगी. तो हियर ओनली x एंड हियर 2x. सो वी पुट 2 इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, 2x एंड 2x. other method is here is 3y and here is y. So we put 3 in first equation, so 3y. तो किसी भी एक वेरिएबल को हमें सेम करना है, या तो हम x वाले को सेम बनाएंगे या फिर y वाले को. तो हम y वाले को सेम बनाना चाह रहे हैं. ओके. तो we equal number in equation 1 and 2 y variable. So firstly multiply equation 1 by 1 किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 3 से, क्योंकि 3 वाला मतलब y में दोनों तरफ कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल बनाने, 3 बनाने तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई विद इक्वेशन 1 y equal to 5, x plus y equal to 5. So answer is 3x plus 3y equal to 3 multiply with 5, 15. So multiply कंप्लीट इक्वेशन में करना है, ओवरऑल पूरी इक्वेशन में आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन 2 इज हियर 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So write 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Okay. Here we know plus 3y and it is a minus 3y. So already opposite symbol. सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना है कि जो हमने इक्वल किया है वो एक दूसरे इक्वल सिंबल में है या नहीं. या अपोजिट सिंबल में है या नहीं, तो यहाँ पर ये पहले से अपोजिट सिंबल में है. ओके, so here 3y is positive and next 3y is negative, so we cut them. तो यहाँ पे एलिमिनेट हो गए. एलिमिनेट हो गए मीन्स इनको हटा दिया. y वेरिएबल को हमने यहाँ पे एलिमिनेट कर दिया. so y वेरिएबल इज एलिमिनेट. so here 3x is positive and 2x is positive, 5x equal 15 is positive and 4 is positive is 19. so x equal to 19 और go 5 in multiply, go to other side and divide, so 19 by 5. So value of x 19 by 5. Put the value of x in equation 1 and equation 2. So put the value in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equal to 5. Find the value of y. X is 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5. So find the value y. So 5 and 19 by 5 go to other side, negative, and here upon 1 and denominator are not same. So take the LCM. LCM is 5. 1 divided by 5 times, 5 multiplied with 5, 25, minus 5 divided by 5 1 time, 1 multiplied with 19, 19. Y equal to 25 minus 19 means 6 by 5. So here y is 6 by 5. So answer is therefore solution of given equations are x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. Okay. Question first is over by the elimination method. Okay. Next question number 4. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to 1 and x minus y by 3 equal to 3. Question number 4. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1 and next equation is x minus y by 3 equal to 3. Solve by the elimination method. So firstly we convert in the simple form. Here 2 and 3 are denominator and convert in the without denominator. So take the LCM. LCM is here left side is 2 and 3, 6. 2 divide the 6 3 times and 3 multiply with x, 3x plus 3 divide the 6 2 times and 2 multiply with 2y, 4y equal to minus 1. Next time 6 in divide, go to other side in multiply, 3x plus 4y equal to 1 multiply with 6. So equation is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. It is equation number 1. And next x minus y by 3 equal to 3. And here अपॉन में 1 ले लिया क्योंकि अपॉन में कुछ भी नहीं है तो अपॉन में 1 ले सकते हैं. So left side 1 and 3 denominator are changed, different. So take the LCM. LCM is 3 and 1 divide the 3 times and 3 multiply with x, 3x and minus 3 divide the 3 1 time and 1 multiply with y equal to 3. Left side divide in 3 in divide, so go to other side in multiply, 3x minus y equal to 3 into 3. So 3x minus y equal to 3 into 3 is 9. It is equation number 2. We solve the two equations by the elimination method. So elimination method, by the elimination method. By elimination method. Okay. Here two equations are 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 and next equation is 3x minus y equal to 9. So coefficient of x, both the equation are same. Okay, new numbers are same. X in x 3 and in x 3, so numbers are same. So directly we solve by question 1 and 2. Here 3x is positive and 3x is positive, but we eliminate the 3x, so we subtract them. जब हमारे अपोजिट साइन होते हैं, जैसे प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में पहले से ही अपोजिट साइन थे, तो हमने उसको डायरेक्टली कट करके एड कर दिया, दोनों इक्वेशन एड हो गई। यहाँ पे दोनों इक्वेशन को हमें जोड़ा है, एड किया है। ओके, लेकिन हियर 3x एंड 3x आर पॉजिटिव एंड हम इसको क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते, कट नहीं कर सकते, सो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट देम एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट, सो वी चेंज द सिंबल अकॉर्डिंग टू second equation, according to last equation. 3x is positive, so we change the equation, change the symbol negative. Here negative, so change the symbol positive, and 9 is positive, so change the symbol negative. हम यहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन के सारे सिंबल चेंज हो जाएंगे। तो पॉजिटिव जो है वो नेगेटिव बन जाएगा, जो नेगेटिव है वो पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा। एंड हियर 3x positive and 3x negative, so it is element. And y, 4y is positive and y is also positive. Last symbol is positive, so y is also positive. 4y and y, 5y. Equal to -6 and 9 is -9, and both the number are negative, so we add, and 9 and 6, 15 in negative, because data number is negative, yeah, both the numbers are negative. And y equal to -15 by 5, and 5 and the 5 is 16, y equal to -3. Value of y equal to -3. Find the value of x. Put the value of y in equation 1 to any equation. You use any equation 1 and 2. So we use second equation. By second equation, 3x minus y equal to 9. 3x minus y is -3. So write in the bracket -3 equal to 9. 3x minus plus 3 equal to 9, and 3x 3 go to other side and -3, and 3x equal to subtract them, and 6x equal to 6 by 3, cut 3 on the 3, which is x equal to 2. So here x equal to 2. So answer is therefore solution of given equation are x equal to 2 and y equal to -3. It is elimination method, and you solve for here remaining question by the elimination and substitution method. आपको ये जो क्वेश्चन रिमेनिंग है, ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन और एलिमिनेशन दोनों मेथड से करने हैं। ओके, एंड आई होप you understand the elimination method and solve the remaining questions. Good luck. Thank you very much.